In this video, we will see the Kuchela Day or Kuchela Dinam celebration and its story. Kuchela Dinam or Kuchela's Day is an yearly festival celebrated and observed on the first Wednesday of the month of Dhanu in Malayalam calendar or the first Wednesday of Margazhi month in Tamil calendar. In English calendar, it comes in the month of December to January. Kuchela, also known as Sudama, he was childhood friend of Lord Krishna who made an offering of beaten rice, that is aval or poha, to Krishna despite his poverty. Following the offering, he became wealthy because of the blessings of Lord Krishna. Let's see the story of Kuchela. As per Bhagavata Purana, Lord Krishna studied at ashram of Guru Sandipani along with Kuchela, a poor Brahmin boy. Lord Krishna and Kuchela became close friends and shared mutual respect. They parted ways after finishing their studies at the ashram. While Lord Krishna ruled the kingdom of Dwaraka, Kuchela remained as a poor Brahmin. Kuchela married a woman called Shushila and started a family. However, he could not afford to even feed his family. One day, Shushila reminded him about his friendship with Lord Krishna and asked him to seek his help. Kuchela was reluctant in the beginning, but he made up his mind to visit Lord Krishna as he was unable to bear the sight of his impoverished family. Kuchela took some beaten rice with him as Lord Krishna likes that very much. He was not allowed inside the palace due to his poor dressing. Lord Krishna himself came out to see Kuchela and he washed his friend's feet with respect. Lord Krishna sensed that Kuchela had brought something for him. Kuchela reluctantly gave the beaten rice to the Lord and he ate every grain. Kuchela was too embarrassed to ask Lord Krishna anything and left the palace empty-handed. Lord Krishna knew his poverty and he changed his life rich before he reaches home. Kuchela and his wife Shushila thanked him and lived a happy life. This is the story of Kuchela meet with Lord Krishna, and this day is celebrated as Kuchela Day or Kuchela Dinam. During this day, beaten rice is offered in all Krishna temples, especially on Guruvayur temple of Kerala. Devotees believe that poverty will be eradicated and prosperity will follow after Aval Nevedyam. From this story of Kuchela Charitam, the lessons are: if you do little to God, He gives multiples to devotees. Even if you don't ask for anything, He will give whatever you needed. Devotees prepare aval with jaggery, coconut, little ginger and offer to Lord Krishna. We can recite Krishna Ashtakam and videos with lyrics are given below. We can also recite Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya